Good morning, guys. So it's early in the morning. I'm on my way to the location where we're shooting today. Bart and Mary are dancing today. Paulina is coordinating, and I'm just going there to do some backstage for you guys because that's what you asked for. So a super nice chill day for me. Hello!
Cześć, siemanko. Cześć.
Robię backstage. Guess who's back? Cześć Bartku.
Cześć.
Dobrze cię widzieć. A zobacz jak się przemknęła.
Oh, it's very friendly place. We've been here already for 2 or 3 years, and we have a lot of friends here. Super.
Mamy to? Szaleństwo, wariactwo.
Okay, so this is the end. We finished 2 hours earlier than we planned. Thank you, Bartek, for today. Thank you, Mary.
Thank you.
Yeah, we finished earlier because Bart and Mary were really well prepared today, so.
Bye!